Hello everyone, welcome to e-learning session, and now we are going to learn about our festivals. This is the chapter number 7 of SST class 3rd. Okay, so now open your book, page number is 243, and so I am repeating again, the chapter name is our festivals. Here you can see the chapter name, and in this chapter we will learn about different types of festivals, how and when they are celebrated, the names of harvest festivals. Okay, so a festival, what is the festival? Firstly we will know about the festivals. A festival is a day of celebrating an important event. India is a land of festivals. We celebrate many festivals throughout the year. Festivals brings joy to the life and develop a feelings of love and brotherhood. Okay, some festivals remind us about the lives of great men. They encourage us to learn from the lives of these great men. Festivals add to the health, wealth, and happiness of everyone. They are a welcome change in our daily life. Okay, so now we will know how many types of festival. There are festivals are of three types. There are main three types of festival: national festivals, religious festival, and harvest festival. So what is national festivals? Festivals which are celebrated by the entire nations are called national festivals. We have three national festivals. On these occasions, schools and office all over the country remains closed to enable people to celebrate these festivals. The three national festivals are Republic Day, Independence Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. When we celebrate Republic Day, on 26th January. We celebrate Republic Day on 26th January. And when and a republic a republic is a country in which the head of the state is elected by the people. India becomes a republic on 26th January 1950. Since then, we celebrated 26th January as Republic Day. Okay. So now, what is the Independence Day? When we celebrate on 15th August 1947, India got independence from British rule. This important event is celebrated every year on the same day by the entire nation as Independence Day. The main function is held at the Red Fort in Delhi. The Prime Minister hoists the national flag. We remember our freedom fighters with great pride. The Prime Minister delivers a speech to a nation. Independence Day is celebrated in schools by hosting the national flag and the singing the national anthem. Here you can see the picture of the Independence Day. Now Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869. His birthday is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma Gandhi let us when we are fighting with independence from British rules. Affectionate of he is affectionately called Bapu. Okay, so now we will know about the religious festival. So what is religious festival? Some festivals are connected with religious. They are called religious festivals. So how many religious festivals? So you can see the turn your page. Holi, and it is the festival of colors. It is celebrated during the months of March. People throw colors on each other and exchange greetings. People enjoy sweets and a special dishes called Gujia. Dasara. This is festivals falls in the month of October. It is celebrated in honor of Rama's victory over Ravana. Okay. So here you can see the picture of Dasahara. And next, Durga Puja. It is an important festival of India, particularly of West Bengal. It is celebrated at the same time as Dasahara. Goddess Durga is worshipped. On the last day, the idols of Goddess Durga are immersed in a river. Next, Diwali. Diwali is the festival of lights. On this day, besides lightings of lamp, people wear new clothes and exchange gifts and sweets with friends and relatives. Okay, so now uh, Raksha Bandhan. Do you know what is Raksha Bandhan? On the day sister and the Rakhi on the day sisters tie Rakhi on the right wrist of their brothers and pray God their safety. And next, Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December as the birthday of Jesus Christ all over world. It is celebrated mainly by Christian. Okay. So next, Eid. Muslims celebrate Eid ul Fitr and Eid ul Juha during the month of Ramjan. Muslims fast from sunrise to sunset. At the end of Ramjan comes Eid ul Fitr. People go to mosque and offer namaz. They embrace and wish each other Eid Mubarak. So next, Guru Parv. What is a Guru Parv? Here you can see the picture of Guru Parv. Birthday of Sikh Gurus are celebrated as Guru Parv. Huge procession are taken out throughout the cities. People go to the Gurudwaras to listen to Guru Vani from the holy book Guru Granth Sahib. Langar is held to distribute holy food to everyone. Okay, children. So turn your page. And now we will know about the Buddha Purnima. The birth of the founder of Buddhism, Lord Gautam Buddha, is celebrated as Buddha Purnima. Okay. And harvest. Now we will know about the harvest festival. Harvest is an important activity in our country. It is the time to enjoy because crops are ready for harvest, and festivals that make the change of seasons are called harvest festivals. These festivals are known by different names and celebrated in different ways across the country. Bihu. Bihu is the harvest festival of Assam. And Pongal. Pongal is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. And Onam. Onam makes the celebration of the harvest season in Kerala. Okay. And Baisakhi. It is celebrated on 13th April every year. The festival is mainly celebrated in North India, particularly in the Punjab and Himachal Pradesh. Okay, children.